All right, guys, so we're back with another ARV example. This time we are in Denver, Colorado. We got a pretty small house, right? We got 2 bed, 1 bath, 687 square feet. That's a small house. I personally like smaller houses because they usually sell for higher price per square feet. But let's check this out. Let's go down just like before. We're going to scroll down to the map. We're going to expand this map. Ooh, what's the first thing you see? There's the subject property, right? You see a bunch of lines. What does that indicate? That indicates this is not a subdivision. This is one of those just street by street by street carved out. So we're comping an area versus an actual subdivision. So this is what we see, right? There's a major street. We're not going to cross that. How do we know it's a major street? Because it's a fat line compared to these other smaller lines. There's another major street I don't want to cross, right? So that's what I'm seeing so far. I'm going to zoom out one click. Oh, so that gives me a better understanding of where our subject property is in here. The area we want to focus on is where we don't want to cross this major highway. We don't want to cross this major street, don't want to cross this major street, don't want to cross that major street. So this is the area that we want to focus on, right? So let's go ahead and draw our draw tool around that area. Boom. So we got a nice little rectangle there. And now we can go over to the filter side and we can start putting our filters in. We want sold. We want house. And we want last 6 months. And also, of course, year build, just to knock out any new construction. We're going to do max 1990. All right, so looks like we have 7 homes to analyze. Here's our table popped up on the right hand side. It's already selected table up here. We're going to select the price per square foot to sort these in order from smallest to largest. And here you go. I mean, you have 2 properties down here. They're both small, 21797. So it's actually larger than ours. What's our subject property? Our subject is a 21687. So this comp is 100 square feet larger. Let's click on it. Let's see if it's renovated. We have pictures. Great. So let's see. Yeah, we got a renovated house, right? Even if you go back, look at that. The roof is new. You can see landscaping outside. Maybe not fully renovated, but this is a renovated home. So there you go. And it's sold for the highest price per square foot in that area. So that is your direct comp, right? So you're going to pull out your calculator, right? And you're going to multiply 526. That is the price per square foot that your comp sold for, the renovated comp. We're going to do 526 times. We're going to multiply it by our subject home square footage, which is 687. And that comes out to 361,000. That is the ARV for this home, 361,000. This was an easy example, smaller home, straightforward. Didn't take a lot of analyzing or anything. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.